In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract shapes in Canva if you ever wanted to create a cutout effect, like punching a logo or icon through a background shape. This is the cleanest, most reliable way to do it right inside Canva. Start by opening your design. You can work on any document size or existing project. This technique fits seamlessly into your current workflow. With your design open, look to the right side panel and click the Apps tab. In the search bar there, type Combo. When the Combo app appears, open it. This app gives you precise shape operations, exactly what we need for subtracting one shape from another to get a crisp professional result. Now, add the shapes you want to use to your canvas. Think in layers here. The shape that sits on top is the one that will be cut out of the shape underneath. For example, if you place a star on top of a circle, subtracting will leave you with a circle that has a star-shaped hole. This is perfect for badges, frames, or creative text windows. You can resize and position your shapes as you like. Clear contrast helps you see what's happening before you commit. When your shapes are arranged, select both of them. The fastest way is to hold Shift and click each shape. You'll know both are selected when you see the selection outlines on each. Make sure you've got exactly the two you want. The order matters, because the top one becomes the cutout. With both shapes selected, turn your attention back to the Combo app panel. Choose the Subtract tool. Instantly, the top shape will be removed from the bottom shape, creating a single clean cutout. If the result isn't what you expected, maybe the wrong shape was on top, just undo, adjust the stacking order, and try subtract again. You can also fine-tune the positioning before subtracting to get perfectly aligned edges and balanced spacing. After subtraction, you can style the result like any other element, change the color, apply shadows, or place an image or background behind it to make the cutout pop. The beauty of using Combo is its precision, which helps avoid jagged edges or imperfect overlaps. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.